Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can move a message to spam on Messenger application. You can use this method if somebody is bothering you or being annoying, or if you just don't want to see their messages anymore, but you do not want to block them. So guys, make sure you follow this video till the very end so you can follow the steps correctly so you can do this yourself. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is download the Messenger application on the App Store if you haven't already. After doing that, you will want to enter the Messenger application. You will want to find the chat that is annoying you and that you want to move to spam, or you want to restrict from messaging you. As you can see, I have already entered one random chat. The next thing you will want to do is look at the upper left corner. There you will see the profile picture of the person that is messaging you and their name. You will want to click on this. After clicking on this will open up their profile with a multiple of options that you can use to either block them or do something similar. But today we don't want to block anybody, so I will just be showing you how you can use this method to restrict them from messaging you, but they won't see that you can no longer see their messages and they won't be blocked. So guys, the first thing you want to do is scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see, there are a lot of options here. You want to scroll down. Here in the very bottom you will see three options: restrict, block, and report. You can use the report button if somebody is sending you unsolicited messages that are very hurtful or something similar. You can use this to report them to Facebook and they will probably ban them. The next option is block. You want to use this message if somebody is being very annoying and you don't want to see them ever again on your Facebook profile, but they will see that you have blocked them, as they will no longer be able to see your profile. But the option that we are looking for is called restrict. As you can see, that's the first option in the privacy and support. You will want to click on this option. This option will enable you to hide your messages. They will be moved to spam you and you won't see them messaging you anymore, but they will not see that you have blocked them. You will still remain a normal profile to them. So if you wish to move this message to spam, you will just click on the blue button called restrict and their name. So guys, click on the blue button restrict. This will just confirm it, and then the person will be blocked, and not blocked but sent to spam, and you will no longer have to see their messages. So guys, you can do this when somebody is very annoying to you, and I hope this video has helped you, and thank you for watching, and bye.